Welcome, Leavenworth. The Gutter Guys are here to enhance your home with top-notch gutter guard installations. In Leavenworth, where the weather can swiftly change, effective gutter protection is crucial. Our gutter guards are engineered to withstand local conditions, keeping your gutters debris-free and fully functional. Opt for the Gutter Guys for unmatched gutter protection in Leavenworth. Our team is ready to provide you with the most reliable gutter guards that not only protect but also preserve the beauty of your home. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.llc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. Thank you, Leavenworth, for trusting the Gutter Guys with your gutter needs. We look forward to safeguarding your home against the elements and enhancing your peace of mind.